This is the hip hop deal.
When the band start to go, I flow like Satchmo, I blow fast and slow and so on to make you throw on tracks of the abstract blacks that got the fat sacks and stuff for packs to puff. Slap father, slap tennis to fat men, subtracting whacking, crowd's reaction is just clapping. Versatile, I'm Mad Wallace, the ill kid who dug the jazz, making you buck, and I still dig scores of chords, giving pleasure with the 4/4. Metro when on tour, I can rock till I'm hoarse or more sore. Bang, dig it, I can wicked the rhythm in a song, propelling the yelling and hollers of the horn. Check it. Hey yo, when I'm on stage, I perform. If it's on, then it's on. It's about the hollers of the horn to the break of dawn or the early morn. Word is born, it's beyond. If I dig the hollers of the horn, when I'm on stage, I perform.